Well, this is the computer, everyone. Minus the fingerprints. This case gives me another chance to actually put 2 more fans right here, which I will be doing. But this button right here changes my lights. This is blue, green, purple, orange, white. Turns them off. Multicolor, as what they had. And this button I think I just hit does actually changes the colors. So this one over time the colors will actually change. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave your comments down below with your guys' thoughts after watching. Take care until next time.